Hello everyone, I'm here with tasty and delicious food called Dampokhtak. The ingredients are 4 cups of rice, 1 cup fava beans, 2 middle onions, 4 teaspoons turmeric, salt and oil as needed. First, wash the rice and soak it with warm water for about an hour. It isn't necessary to add salt, but if we want to drain the rice, we should add 1 tablespoon of salt to soaked rice for each cup of rice. Wash the fava beans and soak them in warm water for 15 minutes. For all kinds of rice that we wanna cook, it's better the rice soak for at least 1 hour. The more onion, the tastier food we have. Dice onions. Sauté them until lightly golden brown. Then add 4 teaspoons turmeric. Sauté in oil for a few seconds so it doesn't taste raw. In the next step, pour the fava beans into the pot. Be careful, don't use fava beans water. Pour 2 glasses of water. Let them cook with onions and turmeric for 15 minutes. Then add rice. Two centimeters of water should be on the rice. Add salt and oil as needed. Let the rice and beans cook together and excess water evaporate.
A few minutes later.
Now we should brew the rice and let it brew for 13 minutes.
Many minutes later.
Enjoy your meal.